You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hey there, crafty friends. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and today we have an update to Design Space. Now, this is just in beta right now, but I wanted to go ahead and give you a quick overview of the new home screen and everything. This, what you're looking at, is the current one. So this is what it looks like before we're changing. You can see in the left-hand corner, we have this hamburger menu here, and that's where you go to your canvas and your setting, or calibration, to new product setup, and so on. And it's under our profile here, which as you see is all on the left. So now we're gonna go ahead, take a jump and look at the new one that is in beta and see what's different about it. And here is a look at the new screen. Now notice that up here on the left, there is no longer a hamburger menu there. At the top here, we have the home button and the canvas button. And then over on the right is where you'll find your avatar now. And with that avatar is a drop-down menu. And this is where you can find your profile, notifications, settings, help, and then your account and sign out. Now let's jump in and see what is in the settings portion of it. So if we click on settings here, it looks pretty much the same as it did before, but you'll notice there's another column here. That is the machines one. So when we click on machines, this is now going to take us to where we go through new product setup, we update our firmware, we calibrate our machines, machine care, which that is for the Venture right now, that is for the cleaning of the Venture. And then you can also choose your custom material settings, and you can link cartridges here. So now you'll find all of this in the drop-down menu under your name. And when we're on home, we can go ahead and search for our images, projects, and profiles and such right here. And then also in here that was in there before is the canvas. This is where you can choose full grid, partial grid, or no grid. And like always, you can also click the little square between the 0 and the 0 on the canvas to go ahead between the full grid, partial grid, and no grid. And then you can go ahead and choose load type from here and choose which machine you're using. And then you can go to load type, and this is where you can choose using it on a mat, without a mat, or using a card mat. And then the print and cut page size. Now I have this set for Cricut Joy Extra, so it's given me the print and cut page sizes for that. But if I'm to switch to, let's say, the Venture, look at all these print and cut page sizes. And look, with the Venture, look how big the print and cut pages sizes go. I mean, you can go all the way to 24 by 28 inches. And of course, this all depends on your printer, but I'm just amazed with that. I hope to someday have a printer where I can print things that big. And then in notifications, this is where you can turn your notifications on for followers, project likes, project inspiration, members you follow, and then what you would like to get notifications from Cricut on, from education, promos, inspiration, and product news. And another thing I want to mention, when we're in the general here on our settings, this is where you'll switch between beta and live. The machine preview NDA, that won't be in everybody's account, but right here under that is where you will now report an issue. Before it was in the hamburger menu. And then from there, you can go ahead and submit a feature request, report a bug, or just give general feedback. And that is it for this new Cricut Design Space update. And again, this is in beta, and this is version 8.0.67. So there's not a whole lot different, but it does look different. So I wanted to make sure and go over that so you know where to find everything. Thank you so much for watching, and if you give us a like and a subscribe, and then if you hit the little bell, you will get an alert whenever we have a new video. So new mystery boxes, new updates, new machines, new projects. And until next time, friends, happy crafting! Bye!